Hi, I'm Dr. Mana, acupuncture specialist, and today I want to show you some common acupuncture stuffs which you can see in acupuncture clinics. These are very common acupuncture needles which almost you can see it in any acupuncture clinic which you go. These are copper needles. The handle is copper and the needle is stainless steel. The handle can be made from the gold or silver or even stainless steel, but the needle most of the times is stainless steel only, and you can't find the needles which is completely made of gold or copper unless very old type of needles which are very thick and they are not disposable. These needles are made to be used only once, and they come in different packets. Either they come like these 10 needles in one packet, or they come in single packets which I show you after that. When you are looking at that, if you are having a clinic and you want to buy some needles, you can look at the box, the real box, and will be like these. See, all the informations are going to be there. The box is very neat, the writings are very correct, all the informations are there. And as you see, the size of the needle for this needle is 25 millimeter. We are having smaller needle 13 millimeter, or much longer than that, 30 millimeter, 40 millimeter, and very long needle as well. But commonly we can see 13 millimeter and 25 millimeter to 40 millimeter needles in many of the acupuncture clinics. Also, you can see the address, the phones, the fax. The fake needles box is going to be a little different, and when you get the needles, if you look at the needle part, the stainless steel part, the fake one is not going to be like this, and it will show small black points on that. And these acupuncture points, some of them will call them body acupuncture needle, and you can use these needles any part of the body, even on the head, even on the ear. If you are having smaller ones, you can put it where you don't need to insert the needle so deep, and if you want to insert it so deep, or you want to use it for a cosmetic or for some scars and you need long needles, you can select long needles as well. But it's a very common, and almost with one chun and two chun, it means 13 millimeter and 25 millimeter like needle, you can do many of the acupuncture works. These needles are a little longer and from different company. As you can see, the same, all the informations are there, the address, the size, the date, and the date is correct. I don't know if you can see the date here. In these packs, the needles will come in single tubes, and these needles are made from stainless steel only, and they are 40 millimeter. The other type of needles maybe you see are the needles which may come like this, that mainly they are using it for scalp acupuncture when they want to put a needle on the head. They're small needle with plastic head. These are also 10 needles with just one tube. These are Sojok needles, which they are very small and very thin needles that you can use it for any Sojok treatment. Since they are too thin, easily they can be inserted on the palm and it won't hurt that much. Also, you can use it on the face for cosmetic acupuncture, and for the patients who they are very thin and their skin is very sensitive. For them also you can use it. The other type of needles which you may see, it is like this. They call ear acupuncture needle. They are very small, almost 1 millimeter, and they are too thin, which they just pick up how many they want. On each of these there will be 10 needles, 10 small needles with a loop at the end. They just pick up, I already picked up one to show you, and they insert it on the ear, and either they ask you to leave it for a few weeks or 1 week, or you can remove it anytime after 1 hour if you're not feeling comfortable with that. Same, these needles also are having dates and address and all other informations which will help you to use it correctly. These are acupuncture ear magnet. As you see, small magnets, which same as ear acupuncture needle. You can pick them up and just stick them on the acupuncture ear points. Sometimes also you can use it for cosmetic acupuncture around the eyebrows. There are some other type of magnets as well, and even acupuncture magnet seed for the ear. But these are very small and round needles. Round magnets. Something else which you may see is called Moxa. Moxa has different types, and mainly they divide it by common Moxa and smokeless Moxa. These are smokeless Moxa pen. There's some in each pack. There are 5, which you can just burn it. Have your burning a cigarette and heat that area which you want. There are other types of Moxa as well. Some of them you can just place it on the skin or at the end of the needles, or if you are doing for cosmetic acupuncture near the tip of the needles. These are very good. I like these since they don't make that much smoke and their heat is just moderate, and easily you can use it. Maybe they tell you we are going to do moxibustion on you, which is actually a part of acupuncture, or you can do moxibustion just alone without using any needles. Sometimes also they can ask you to do it at home yourself if you have to do it for longer time. The other one is acupuncture electrical stimulator, which there are many different types of stimulators. Some of them are very similar to the stimulators which they are using in physiotherapy, and the sizes are different. This is 16 channel acupuncture stimulator, and generally it comes with this type of wires, which I just put it here, and they will attach these two at the end of the needles. When they insert the needles, after that they put these two, and it will give little more strength to the needle to work. What are here, there are few options. One is the timer, which is generally for 1 hour, and when you put it on, these 2 lights anyhow will be on, which one of them will be continuous and the other one mostly will bulb depends about the work which you want to do and how much you want. You can just change it. The minimum is 1, which gives a very low electricity and